Hi, in this episode, we'll try to breach our singleton class with the cloning attack. So it's really simple. Usually, clone is not available because it is the a method which is defined an object as a protected. So usually, you cannot perform such thing like create the clone of S1. For that, you have to implement the clonable class, and then you have to provide the implementation as a public method so that this is accessible from outside the world. It's simple calling the super.clone if you want to copy some attributes or you want to perform multiple mutable states changes. You can do it here, but this is the standard code which is automatically generated when you try to implement this clonable interface. So it just help you the editor to write this simple or minimum code. So this made it possible for this line to be called like s1.clone. Otherwise it won't allow you. I will show you how this stops you. So the idea here is to 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 prove that through cloning we can attack the class, right? And for that the clonable or the cloning is allowed over the class, then only you can do this. So let's try to run this code and see what hash code we get from this. Yeah, so we can see here s1 and s2 is same, but when we try to clone from the s1 we see a new object because this is a different hash code, so this means it is a new object. So we have successfully breached the singleton by creating clone of it. Okay, so the solution is simple. Don't make it clonable. That's the only thing that will stop you from creating the object. So here we can remove it, or we can simple throw the exception cloning is not supported here because this is a singleton, because you want to have your custom error. So you can simply do this, or you will just remove this clonable, and we'll remove this method as well. Now we got rid of the clone interface, and now we can see here the error. So if we look at here, the clone has protected access in java.lang.object, so that's why it's not allowed. So it's by default protected, as every class in Java is extending the object class. We can see here in this tooltip. So there it has been set to protected. So I'll explain in a separate video how the cloning works, what is the cloning, shallow or deep cloning, and why it is protected. So that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed to breach the singleton class with the help of cloning. I do understand that for that you have to support the cloning and then you have to remove the cloning. It's just to prove the concept that a new objects are created when you use the cloning of an object, right? Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.